Hello everybody, welcome to my final project for Intro to MatLab. My name is Eric Van Fleet and this is my final code which is launching a rocket to Pluto. I've named the code name in terms of kind of in the same vein and manner as NASA as Operation Divine Wisdom because Pluto was the Greek god of the underworld and we are searching wisdom by searching through the stars and trying to figure out more, so Divine Wisdom. The code itself took a lot of work, was very hard to get here, and it's broken up into many smaller sections, not like officially broken up into sections, but I have them clearly listed with a lot of green notes here to kind of walk somebody through my thinking and thought process. So here at first is like just how I'll name my different parameters, different variables. We keep going, we have our initial conditional values as well as our initial atmospheric values. We have our initial rocket values, which is based off of user input. We also have initial launch values and conditions, which is also based off of user input. And these stages are set up as they are so an individual can take different rocket information, different vehicle information, and put it into this code and then run the code to see the end results, which should be distance over time that the code runs, which is a little wonky. I got the math a little messed up, but that's okay. It runs and it still gets to something. So taking a look at the actual launch code, I have it split up into the different stages of each of the boosters and rockets on the actual launch device itself. And then we come down here to the end results and end plots, so to speak. We take a look at the parameters I have set in place to gauge the end distance. And then if we take a look here at this figure that is given by the code, we can take a look at total distance over time. And the end goal for me was trying to show the overall total distance that this rocket could go over a set amount of time. So it has to 900 seconds, and it has us going a very large distance in terms of meters in 900 seconds, which is fantastic because we actually, this red dot and this blue dot are indicative of Pluto positioning once we get out to space, but it will take much longer than 900 seconds to get there, so it's not perfect, but the code does work and it gets us an end result.